His cat doesn't like when he is late.
Please don't be here. Oh, shit. I'm sorry, Albert.
And a fun fact about me is I actually won a church singing competition and I've never done church singing before that.
Every time this mailman tries to deliver bills to this house, an orange cat stops him.
I'll see you.
Just boys playing with their cat in the sand. She got caught right in the act. He went behind the couch again.
You went back. You went back.